Hello guys, welcome to today's edition. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to construct a standard shirt armhole, and we'll be using a draft paper to do that. Now let's dive into it. Alright, now in constructing a standard armhole, now this is what we're going to do. We have our draft paper and we have already drawn our diagonal line now. Now let me tell you something about this diagonal. You can see some people's shoulder is slanted, some is so slanted, and some is averagely slanted, and some is totally slanted. So in order to take a good armhole measurement, some people make use of two. Like some people make use of from here to this point. Some people make use of 2, some people make use of 2.5, some people make use of 3, some people 4 and 5, as the case may be. But for the purpose of this video, we'll be making use of 3. So we have to take 3 downward. As we are done with the 3, then we join this 3 to this margin of the blanket. So this is it. You take our diagonal line, and that is it. Now we have taken our diagonal line. Then the next thing we have to do is to take our shoulder. Now for the purpose of this video, we'll be making use of our shoulder will be 17. Now 17 divided by 2. 17 divided by 2, it is 8.5. It is 8.5. So this is 8.5. Now from here to here is 8.5. So 8.5, we have to add like half-inch allowance. Yeah, definite half-inch allowance. So if you add half-inch allowance, you have this. So from here to here is 9. The armhole length is 8.5. Remember, shoulder divided by 2. In this video, we'll be taking our shoulder divide by 2, which so our shoulder is 17, we divide it by 3 to give you 8.5. Now this is where some people will tend to take it, but if you do that, it's an error. You will get an error. Your armhole length will be so big. So for us not to get this error, we will minus our armhole length. We will minus our armhole length, which is 8.5 by 1.5 by 1.5, which is by 1.5. You minus it by half, because 1 will be stepping up, because we'll be adding extra 3 inch to the back side. We'll be adding extra 3 inch to the back side so that when we fold the 3 inch, we'll get 1.5. That is, we have gotten exactly the armhole length. I don't know if you understand. So if you don't understand, please indicate in the comment section. We'll take the scissors and we cut our diagonal. As you can see, we have done with the cutting of the diagonal line. Remember what I say, our armhole length is 8.5, and you minus half from 8.5, it will give us 7. It will give us 7. So guys, so this is the 7. This is the 7. We indicate it here, 7. So what do we took? We took 1.5 inch away from our armhole length. Now, in order to get back that 1.5, we are going to use the back side. We are going to make an extension of the back side, 3 inch extension of the back side, so that when we fold it, we'll get that 1.5. Follow me, guys. So we'll make the extension by 3 inch. We'll make you make the another one here, then you mark by 3 inch. You mark by 3 inch. Then you join the line. You join it after you're done with it. Then the next thing you do, you also use this to. Then the next thing we do is cut. We cut from. Alright guys, we are done cutting our back side. Now if you fold this side, you will find out that this is 3 inch, like we say. This is 3 inch. Please guys, always make sure you verify before you cut. This is 3 inch. So 3 divided by 2, we fold it into equal half. 3 divided by 2, and this is our 1.5. This is our 1.5. This is our 1.5 inch. So if you add this 1.5 to our armhole length, you see from here to here, it is now 8.5. 8.5. As you can see, from this point to this point, our armhole length is 8.5. So what we do next is to connect. Alright guys, so the next thing we need to do is to add some precaution. So that when cutting our armhole, we will not cut excess of it, so that we can be able to get that armhole effect to it. So what we need to do to avoid cutting excess of it, you take 1 inch inward, outward rather, 1 inch from this, where this diagonal and this vertical line meet. It forms 90 degrees. So half of 90 degrees is 450. So you take a diagonal position at fine, then you connect it. You connect. So we are going to divide it by 2. So if you divide our armhole length by 2, we'll get 4 1/4. We get 4 1/4. You get 4 1/4. So this 4 1/4, you take half inch inward, half inch inward, to get our armhole effect, half inch inward. So this is it. So you connect the line. And for the purpose of this video, I'll be making use of French core. Alright guys, so now let's connect the line. Let's connect the line. Done connecting it. So the next thing we do is to cut it out. Now before we cut this out, remember I made mention of armhole effect. Now in the armhole effect, this is what it means. Now the back side, which is this side, will be longer than this front side. You understand? Maybe by half inch. By half inch, that half inch we took here. Yes, to get a good armhole effect. Now guys, let's cut. Now while cutting this thing, we'll cut the front side, we'll cut the front before we cut the back. Don't cut both at once, please. Don't cut both at once. Don't cut it both at once. Alright, so let's cut the back. Now remember the armhole effect. It's because of the armhole effect that's why I'm leaving that space. Now the armhole effect helps to give the shirt the fitting it deserves. You understand? You have to give the shirt the fitting so that the back side will be dragging the front side. You understand? So that's the purpose of this armhole effect. Okay guys, we have come to the end of our third shirt armhole. So I hope you learned a lot from this. So subscribe for next. Thank you and God bless.